Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road. This is a video I've been waiting to make for a very long time, and this is all about the brand new AlphaRex headlights for the 2023 and up Super Duty trucks. Now, for the longest time, we've wanted a cool, brighter than OEM, aftermarket replacement light for the 2023 and up Super Duty trucks. It's really just never existed, and it's taken a lot of work from AlphaRex to come up with a solution. It took a very long time to kind of get everything configured, and I'm happy to announce in this video that we will be stocking these puppies. And as you can see from this video, we're extremely stoked with how they've turned out. Now, for those of you diehard Ford fans out there, and if you didn't know, the 23 and up Ford Super Duty had some weird changes. You got halogen taillights, and King Ranch and below also just got basic reflector headlights, and they only kept the projector headlights for the platinum and limited trim. So it was a very odd choice. Those of us who got those trucks in kind of the first waves were kind of surprised that the LEDs went away, even though we're on the previous platform. And it's taken a long time for everyone to kind of decode the Ford computer system and kind of come up with an aftermarket solution that not only outperforms the stock reflectors, but also the projector lights that are out there. And AlphaRex has actually done that with two different product lines. So you're gonna have the Luxx series, which is gonna be their first step above the OEM output. It's gonna have all of the features you look for in an aftermarket headlight, the selectable daytime running light colors, and a couple other cool features I'll mention a little bit later. And it's gonna come with two projectors. Then you also have the Nova series. The Nova series is actually gonna come with 4 projectors. And instead of using the kind of in-house built driver that comes with the Luxx series, the Nova is going to come with an Osram driver. So you have the best of the best in headlight technology, which is really cool that you have 2 options. So say you're buying headlights only because the neighbor next door backed in the front of your truck and need a quick solution. The Luxx series is going to be awesome. And if you're looking for just the overall highest output, highest performing headlight on the market, that's going to be the Nova series. Essentially, the projector in the Luxx series is going to be kind of a more standard projector, if you will. So still an upgrade, especially over the reflector headlights. While the Nova series is going to use AlphaRex's own, is what they call the Ice Cube projector. Kind of silly name, but if you see it, you'll understand where the name comes from. And that is essentially the best of the best technology that AlphaRex has for overall light clarity, light output, cleanliness, sharp cutoff lines, everything you're looking for in a quality headlight. Now, we discussed the differences in the 2 levels of lights. Now let's look at the options. In front of us, we have the black, along with the AlphaRex Alpha Black. Now, what's going to be the difference? You know, it can get very confusing as you see black and Alpha Black. The black is going to have the chrome around the projector, as you can see. And then the Alpha Black is going to try to kind of give you that blacked out headlight look. You're going to see a little bit darker of a reflector, and you know that's going to look better on, say, an all blackout truck or a truck that's been paint matched in a dark color. And then the regular black is going to look good, where there might be some shinier aspects of the truck still, a little bit of chrome or maybe some polished wheels, and that's going to tie it all up together. So I know it can be confusing, but we want to film these side by side to show you guys the differences. Now, diving into the features of these lights, essentially you're going to see the daytime running light, the DRL. That's going to be the outer illumination in the rings that you see on the headlights, for those of you who are not familiar with aftermarket headlights. When you install the lights, you can choose whether that light is the clear, just white light, or amber light. It's a very simple choice on the back of the light, and you install the lights on your truck, you have your shop install them. Now, if you're very interested in other cool features of the headlights, AlphaRex has come up with a very cool solution. So there's gonna be an add-on module, you can see it on the product page, that you're gonna wire when you install the lights. It is gonna be a module that allows you to control 2 colors of the DRL. It's gonna allow you to adjust the turn signal. Now, whether it just flashes like a traditional turn signal or has the sequential illumination where it kind of follows along kind of like Light Rider, if you will. And then you're gonna have the startup cycle. Now, there's gonna be multiple startup cycles, so you can kind of thumb through those. And it's gonna, when you key on your truck, what the front of your headlight looks like. Those of you who have seen a lot of foreign cars and things like that, you've seen some very cool headlight illumination sequences, and now we can have those on our Super Duty trucks. Now, this module mounts underneath the hood. Now, a very cool feature that AlphaRex has introduced is gonna be the app control. So if you wanna play with these features, you're gonna wanna purchase this module, then you can go on your phone. You don't even need to pop the hood. You can go on your phone and you can set all of these features up on your truck. And if you wanna change it over time, you're not committed to any of them because you can simply open the app or go to that module and adjust them. I think it's a very cool feature, and it's gonna be essentially industry leading as far as features on these AlphaRex lights. If you've ever installed some eBay lights or lights from a different brand, you might know that you gotta like snip a wire on the back, plug in some kind of key that you're probably gonna lose, et cetera, as far as the different features of the lights or the DRL color. AlphaRex has come up with a very simple solution, and it's our favorite here as far as just how to set this, because it's very user-friendly. Now, I'm sure you guys just want to see what the actual physical light output difference is, and here's what we have. The first stock truck, our control truck in this test, this is going to be a Lariat Super Duty, so it is going to have the factory LED reflector. And as you can see, it's not a bad headlight. I've been decently happy with my stock Super Duty. I do run fog lights, upgraded fog lights on road, because when you do get a dark neighborhood, you can kind of see where the factory output kind of drops off. Here we have the Luxx series. Now the Luxx series is an immediate difference, and what you're looking at is the output from a projector versus a reflector. You're gonna see that very distinct cutoff line where the headlight ends. So these aren't gonna be like cheap LED replacement bulbs where you're blinding everyone, including an airplane trying to land. These are a very focused light, and you're gonna see 100% light fill up to that projection line. And you just, again, a ton of light exactly where you need it. So it's not unnecessary light. Again, aftermarket bulb replacements do just that, just scatter a bunch of light out there. These projectors give you 100% fill where you need it. So that's gonna be the Luxx series. Now we're gonna move to the Nova series. As you can see, it is just even more light output. So again, you still have that very defined cutoff line. You probably have a little bit more side throw with the Nova thanks to that extra projector added and their own projector design. So you're just gonna see 100% light from that cutoff line, everything in between. So it's a very, very useful add-on for you, those of you with Super Duty trucks. We all drive at night. Those of us with glasses or astigmatism, we all know that any little bit of extra light we can get, that's very handy when driving, and these lights are gonna check off that box. Now, another thing I wanna mention is that the high beams are an actual light addition, so you're gonna see those projectors kick on, and so now you have that cutoff. Above that cutoff, you have that 100% light fill. So for those of you who are currently supplementing your lights with an off-road light, you can now go back to running your high beams and utilizing those on the road. So you're gonna see full fill. As you can see, the trees are lit up, everything around you is lit up. You can now see wildlife much easier. And when you see an oncoming car, you can hit the high beams or your automatic high beams. Bam, you have a very useful setup. In layman's terms, we've all bought a gas station flashlight. I would attribute that to like an LED bulb replacement. Yeah, it's really bright when you're using it down the hallway of your house, but as soon as you go out to the woods, it's just kind of a little bit of light thrown out in front of you. If you've ever bought a Surefire, similar weapon light or anything like that, we've all messed with those at this point, and you have just an absolute ton of light focused. That is gonna be the difference between a factory reflector or a factory reflector with a bulb change and a projector headlight. What this means for you as an end user is your distance vision is improved. So for those of you who have been on a long drive through the night, we all know you start to realize that your headlights kind of just show you what's in front of you. With these headlights, you're getting a lot more forward projection without blinding oncoming traffic, needing to run your off-road lights. So for a lot of us who drive these trucks on highways against oncoming traffic, that is a huge advantage. We're extremely excited to have a quality headlight replacement for these 23 and up Super Duty trucks. At the end of the day, half of you are gonna buy them because they look really cool. Those of you who have done like our LP light bar setups with some of the backlights, amber running lights, any of those upgrades, and you wanna tie that into an amber DRL on the Super Duty truck, we now have an on-the-shelf option for doing that. Before that, it required a ton of custom work. And we're very stoked to have that. Side benefit, and actually the main benefit of it, besides the aesthetics, is gonna be the performance. These will outperform your factory lights, so you're getting an actual return on your investment as well. I'm very excited to have these available for use on my own truck even, because again, long road trips, things like that, where you start to realize that the factory headlights, while they work pretty good around town, once you hit the open highway, you do see where they're lacking pretty quick. Now we're gonna have an excellent option for just running headlights on the highway. We're extremely excited about that. If you're seeing this video, they are either in stock or right around the corner. If you do have any questions, comment down below, give us a call, shoot us an email. We'll be happy to help you out. Again, simple installation, beautiful aesthetics, quality performance. This is gonna be an awesome product for you guys, and we're stoked to have it.